Hey everyone, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at a Stihl MS660 West Coast muscle chainsaw. I build these chainsaws for guys. They are test chainsaws, not to be used for any type of wood cutting. They are disabled at the end of the video. These are just for entertainment purposes only, not to be used for any production work or anything like that. This one's had the cylinder decked, muffler modified. See, it's got the buckshot muffler on it. Got the porting chains on it. Got the max flow filter system, really nice air filter system on it. And I'll start that up and let you listen to it. This one's going to Justin. He's in Ohio. That's where this saw's headed. Peaks out right at 14. We're going to turn that in to about 13.5. Disable it, take the plug out, remove the starter. Sold as parts chainsaws. If you're interested in one of these parts chainsaws, there's the information.